It's a major change to a campus site that's been vacant for years. The old graduate housing on Broad and Norris will soon be a pocket park for Temple students and the local community.
It would be fair to classify it as a pocket park, just some green space and areas to sit, well lit, and for people to traverse going to campus or back to the west side of Broad.
You can see that these apartments are actually fenced off for the entire city block, and that's because Temple says they're so run down that they present a danger to the community.
There were a number of safety and structural concerns with the property, which was beyond the point where Temple could use it or repair the property.
But some students say they would have rather seen Temple build new apartments because of their prime location to campus.
This is an ideal location, like it's right on Broad Street. That would be crazy to live in.
And one member of the local community says it's hard to watch Temple constantly changing the neighborhood where she grew up.
Being from this area, the landscape has changed so much, partly due to Temple's influence.
One Temple student sees the park from a different view, as a space that can be used by the entire community.
I think it'd be good just for the community, the Temple students and the local residents who live around here. I think it'd be a good way for us to get together.
The park won't be ready until spring 2016, but a Temple spokesperson says the apartments will be knocked down in the next few days. Reporting for Temple Update, I'm Becca Hendrickson.